Start by ensuring the Apple TV device is powered on and connected to a display. Navigate to the main menu on the Apple TV interface. Within the main menu, locate the Settings application icon. Select and enter the Settings menu to access device configuration options. In Settings, find and select Users and Accounts to manage iCloud and user profiles. Access users and accounts in Apple TV settings to begin setup. Ensure you are logged into iCloud with the same Apple ID as your iPhone. Navigate to AirPlay and HomeKit in the main Settings menu. Check the Home Hub section for device connectivity status. Verify your Apple TV is displayed as connected to function as a home hub. Begin by opening the Home application on your iPhone. Tap on the Home icon located within the app's interface. Navigate to Home Settings from the available options. Select the Hubs and Bridges section within Home Setting. Confirm that your Apple TV is listed as connected, indicating its active status as a home hub.